Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write distributive law equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to distribute law equation. Go to the insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com. Then find the distribute law, then click it to insert. Now we can see we insert the distributive law equation. Now we want to edit this equation. Click the equation box, then go to the design menu. You can add more style or another equation like fraction, script, radical, integral, large operation, etc. Now I insert the fraction. Then we can see we insert a fraction. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.